Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off notifications from the Coin98 wallet application on your device. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Coin98 wallet application on your device and then log into your wallet if you haven't done so already by using your seed key or your passphrase, and you may also log in using your social accounts. After logging in, you will be taken into the wallet page. From here, just tap on your wallet name, which will now take you into your My Wallets page. Just tap on Manage Wallets, and now you will see the three dots at the top right corner. Go ahead and tap on this, and this will now reveal the notification settings option. Click on Notification Settings, and you can simply tap on the notification toggle button in order to turn it off. If you don't find this option within the Coin98 wallet application, you may also long press on the Coin98 application and then tap on App Info. From here, tap on Force Stop in order to stop the application first, and then tap on Notifications. Now, since the Show Notifications option is turned on, just tap on the toggle in order to turn it off, and this will now disable all notifications from the Coin98 wallet application. You can come back to this menu in order to turn it on once again if you wish in the future. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to turn off notifications on the Coin98 wallet application. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.